We took a trip to Underwood Family Farms in Moorpark, California, which is just inland from Malibu. During the fall, there's a pumpkin patch to explore and buy your own pumpkin. We then took a tractor-trailer ride out to the crop fields.
Yeah, Ellie's on a tractor.
Our kids had fun running up and down the rows of crops, where you can harvest your own fruits and vegetables to buy and take home.
Yeah, look at that.
Underwood Family Farms is a fun place for adults and kids to enjoy a small piece of that farm life.